In 2025, dash cams are smarter, sharper, and safer than ever before. If you want crystal clear footage day and night and peace of mind on every drive, stay tuned as we count down the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we bring you the best car tech and gadgets to help you stay safe and connected on the road. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 1. Vantrue N4 Pro Dash Cam. This powerhouse records in 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p cabin, using triple STARVIS 2 sensors. It also includes HDR night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi, parking mode, and voice control, plus support for up to a massive 1TB storage. Customer reviews. Drivers say it's the most reliable all-around dash cam they've used, praising the video clarity both day and night. Pros: triple channel recording, front, inside, rear, HDR infrared night vision, voice control plus GPS, parking mode protection, supports up to 1TB storage. Number 2. ROVE R2 to 4K Dash Cam. This dual dash cam captures 4K front plus full HD rear and comes with a free 128GB card. It features a STARVIS 2 sensor, super fast 5G Wi-Fi for instant video transfer, 24-hour parking mode, and a sharp 3-inch IPS display. Customer reviews. Users love the fast app connectivity and say the free memory card makes it a great value. Pros: 4K Ultra HD recording, free 128GB memory card included, 5G Wi-Fi for speedy downloads, compact 3-inch display, 24-hour parking protection. Number 3. OMBAR T1 4K Dash Cam. With 4K front plus dual 1080p cameras, this dash cam uses the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors for exceptional low light performance. It includes full-color HDR night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, 24-hour parking mode, and comes with a free 128GB card. Customer reviews. Owners highlight the sharp night vision and easy setup, making it a solid pick for everyday drivers. Pros: triple channel coverage, HDR full-color night vision, free 128GB card included, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, supports up to 512GB storage. Number 4. 70mm 4K Dash Cam. This smart dash cam records dual 4K, front plus inside, and 1080p rear, powered by STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors. It supports Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE, ADAS driver assistance, HDR night vision, and parking mode, plus it includes a 512GB card. Customer reviews. Users love the ADAS safety alerts and LTE connectivity, calling it a great smart dash cam for modern cars. Pros: dual 4K recording with HDR, Wi-Fi 6 plus 4G LTE support, advanced driver assistance system, ADAS. Comes with 512GB storage, 24-hour parking surveillance. Number 5. VIOFO A329's 4K Dash Cam. The VIOFO A329's delivers 4K front, 2K cabin, and 2K rear fisheye recording with STARVIS 2 sensors on all channels. It also offers Wi-Fi 6 app control, power-saving parking mode, and support for up to a massive 4TB SSD, perfect for long-term recording. Customer reviews. Reviewers say the fisheye cabin lens and huge storage support make it one of the best dash cams for rideshare drivers and long-distance travelers. Pros: all-channel STARVIS 2 sensors, 4K plus dual 2K fisheye coverage, Wi-Fi 6 for fast transfers, up to 4TB SSD support, power-saving parking mode. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. So there you have it, the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. From the feature-packed Vantrue N4 Pro S, the budget-friendly ROVE R2 to 4K, the night vision king OMBAR T1, the smart 70mm T800 with LTE, to the professional-grade VIOFO A329s, there's a dash cam here for every driver. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car tech reviews. Now tell me in the comments, which dash cam would you trust most for your next road trip? The Vantrue N4 Pro S or the VIOFO A329s? Thanks for watching and drive safe.